Hey everyone, today I am sharing a recipe for one of my kids' favorite foods, and it pains me to say that one of their favorite foods is buttered noodles. So I'm going to teach you how to make it real quick and easy in the Instant Pot. You'll be happy, your kids will be happy, everyone will be fed. Hey everybody, so in my inner pot I have placed 1 pound of dry macaroni noodles. This could work for any type of dry noodle, and I'm flattening it out just so it's even across the inner pot. And you're going to add in water. I do not measure my water, and I know that's kind of frustrating if you're trying to learn a recipe, but I will show you how much I add. You basically want to just cover your noodles with water. You don't want a ton above them, but you want to make sure that all of your noodles are covered. This will ensure that you have enough water to actually cook the noodles. I will zoom in here so you can see how much water is in there. You can see I barely covered them. There's some noodles floating, but everything is covered. And I feel like the more you cook this, the easier it'll get, but it's just one of those things that you just have to trust me. It doesn't need to be measured. You just want to make sure your noodles are covered. So from here, I am adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You could up this a little bit if you want to. I'm also adding in some ground salt, just a pinch of it, and some ground pepper, and a ½ teaspoon of dried parsley. And this is all just kind of based on what my kids like. Once everything's in the pot, you're going to place the lid on, and you are not going to stir it up before you do this. Just leave everything like it was shown. Make sure that your nozzle is on seal, and we're going to set manual pressure to 4 minutes. Since the noodles cook very quickly, I do a quick pressure release. I don't do the natural release. And I immediately open the lid and stir my noodles up. It's going to seem like one big clump at first, but I promise you they will break up and they'll be delicious. How are the noodles?
Good.
Do you love butter noodles?
Yeah.
Are these good?
Yeah.
Let me see you take a big bite. Wow. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to have you join as a subscriber. Bye guys.